So earlier this year, I built this workshop and it already needs an upgrade. So let's get the notebook out. First, wood storage. I've got loads of wood lying around and I need to get it neatly out the way. Second, more shelf storage and drawers. I have loads of tools and junk that I need to store neatly, so I need to upgrade my game. Third, light fixtures. The VVE didn't answer me and I'm sick and tired of working in the dark. So I'm gonna install some battery lights so the lights can stay on. Let's get cracking. I'll need this, and also this. So I found free wood. So let's break it down. So I got all this free wood, and with all that wood, I'm gonna be able to build more shelf storage and my drawers. And first things first, I'm gonna build a holder for my new multi-tool. And as it's a Makita, I've gotta make a nice little holder for it. Shout out Makita. However, it's not gonna be French lead because none of my other holders are French lead and I don't really know how to do it. So for the time being, I'm just gonna make a little box for it. And now that that's done, I can get started with the drawers. And making those drawers was really a case of measure once, cut 5 times, because I wanted to do it with all the scrap wood I had, and that means they didn't always perfectly fit each other or weren't very straight all the time. And because I'm a dumbass, I got the wrong rails. I went back to Gamma and got the right ones, so hopefully these will fit. So the drawers don't work perfectly because they're a bit too wide. So by actually adapting my drawers to the right size, we have a drawer. We can move on to the next one, which is wood storage. I got lots of leftover wood that I need to store. It's in the way, it's not very neat. So basically, I'm gonna build a wood storage unit. So honestly, I'm gonna build something not too complex and quite simple. I've seen it in the past. It's gonna be basically a trapeze. Put some wheels on it so I can move it around. Now I need it measured and that's it. So I'm a bit in a tough spot to cut, as you can see. So I'm gonna go outside. So that's done. Piece is cut. So thank God my workshop is in the basement, so it's nice and cool and I didn't suffer too much during the heat wave. Now we're gonna attach the back. And putting the back side was a joy. I got to nail 1,000 nails into the wood. And so if anyone has a nail gun they're not using, I'm a taker and I'll gladly take it off your hands. And now I can finally store all my wood. And now that I can store my wood neatly, I can continue to put some hanging shelves to hang the different tools I still need to hang. And of course, after looking through TikTok and Instagram, I got lots of inspiration. So I tried a few different ways to hang my drill bits, my tape and everything. And I think it looked good in the end. Now I can hold my tape. Now for smaller items such as these, I'm gonna create a little shelf. And this was like my life, full impro, no measurement, just going for it and hope it looks okay. Nice and neat little box. Now that all the shelf and the wood storage is done, we can tackle one of the biggest challenge, light fixtures. So this lamp is rechargeable, but also runs on batteries. And I got the wrong batteries. So now we're gonna go charge it upstairs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attach it here. I'll now have a light fixture, so whenever it gets dark, I'll be able to turn it on and make sure I can keep working, just like now. But no, and more seriously, it allows me to keep working whenever the light turns off. And this is a great and final addition to this workshop. Until next time.